Alright, you guys are coming with us on the red carpet.
We have Sean and Dana, actress and director.
It's about helping people both domestically and internationally.
Doing that blue dress. Beautiful. Alright, straight forward one more time, straight forward, beautiful. Got it? Yeah. And Dana, right here. Dana.
I didn't know I was the top 100.
You definitely are.